Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out or sign out of Kwik Trip. To log out or sign out of your Kwik Trip account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up a web browser and type in kwiktrip.com and search. Now from the main homepage, click on this Quick Rewards option at the top, and once you end up in the main homepage, go to the upper right section of the page and you will be able to see the logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials to log in back to your account again. Once clicking on log out, you will be redirected to the main login page for Kwik Rewards, and that way you should be able to log out or sign out of Kwik Trip. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.